So when we treat patients with any oncological drug, we want to make this convenient for the patient. And this is something that we've already known from other tumor types, that we are moving from IV administration to subcutaneous administration. That happened in the past with HER2 inhibitor, for instance, and it is growing now with immune checkpoint inhibitor. We had some data initially with atezolizumab, and now for the first time, we're having a PD-1 inhibitor, nivolumab, that had established a non-inferiority in a PK endpoint trial that is a randomized phase 3, the 60/70 subcutaneous administration versus IV. And this trial was presented and has been published at ESMO, Annals of Oncology Journal. And so this is a very important study because it's a proof of concepts demonstration showing that not only we met the PK endpoint, but also clinical endpoints such as response rate and progression-free survival. And that study, the 60/70, led to the approval of nivolumab subcutaneous administration. And it was developed in RCC, so IV versus subQ, single agent. But the approval that came out from the FDA late December 2024 actually is a broad approval because it's about the concept. You're able to administer nivolumab subcutaneous instead of IV. And this is very meaningful because 30-minute infusion versus 5-minute infusion, flat dose, walking, workout, it's very convenient for the patient. It's very convenient also for our healthcare system to have those walking, workout strategy and scheduling in our infusion room. So the approval is broader than RCC. It is solid tumors, either as a single agent or in combination with chemotherapy, even with VEGF targeting agents such as cabozantinib in RCC. So right now in the US, this is something that can be discussed with the patient, and I think it will really change the game for them in terms of how cumbersome it is to come and wait and have your infusion, need an IV port, and so on. So gastric cancer, RCC, these are two examples where we are changing the way we administer nivolumab to our patients.